18953 Hoover Apartments. Need a new screen on the front. Change the locks to master locks today. Need some drywall repair done. All the living room will need to be painted. We will need a new closet handle door. We got some mold growing along the corner of the entryway. We need all new outlet covers. We're going to need 4 outlet covers and 1 light switch cover in the living room. The carpet can probably be salvageable, could be cleaned. Walls will all need to be painted in this room. There is a ton of trash in this house. Look, I don't know if that thermostat, we might have to look at that thermostat. Going into the kitchen. Kitchen will need to be cleaned really well in here. A bunch of trash in here. I'll get rid of the refrigerator. Kitchen's got some drywall repair to do. Ceiling is cracking. We need a light globe. Water's on in this house. Cabinet looks pretty decent. There is peeling paint. We need an outlet cover, a light switch cover, double outlet and light switch. Another outlet cover. Paint all the living room or paint the bathroom and the ceiling. There's a little bit of mold growing. Went to the upstairs. I don't know what they did. It looks like they just went over the carpet with carpet. We need to look at that. Going to the upstairs, we need to paint all the hallway going to the upstairs. Hallway, we will need a light globe, new light fixture. Shut the window. All this will need to be painted up here. Does have a smoke detector. We need a light switch cover. In the hallway upstairs, we got some drywall repair to be done. There's a trash up in the closets. Going into the bedroom. Bedroom will need 3 outlet covers and a light switch cover. Actually, this whole house will need all new light switch covers. Carpet is in decent shape up here. I'll shut this window. Trash up here. Got some drywall repair to do upstairs. Paint all the this whole house needs to be completely repainted. It is pretty bad. Drywall repair in the hallway, I already mentioned that. Need to rehang the access panel to the tub. Going into the bathroom. Outlet cover and a switch cover. The bathtub is nasty. It's going to need to be recaulked, clean and disinfected. Might need a new vanity. Tighten up the door handle. Door handle is loose, or replace the door handle for the bathroom. Paint all the bathroom. We need a light globe in the bathroom. It kind of looks like they put carpet over carpet in this house, so we need to take a look at that. Going down to the basement. The stairway will need to be repainted. We have some drywall repair to do in the foyer. Need to repaint all this going down to the basement, the foyer. Need a light globe. We will need a new step. It's missing a step. I'll take a picture of that in a minute. Into the basement. There is a trash down here. Water heater and furnace are in the house. Gas is on in the house. Electric is on in the house. Yeah, can't get a picture of the step, but we are missing one step. So be careful. Whoever walks down the steps needs to be careful, because there is no step there. Change locks and master. Need a new door handle going down, or tighten this door handle up going down into the basement from the kitchen. Trash in a closet. Need to do some work around the trim on the front door. And this is 18953 Hoover Apartments.